Whoop, don't throw them. Gentle with those eggs. Ow. There you go. Keep on hunting. If you find something that looks different, let's keep on walking. Walk around the house. You can walk around the house.
I got 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4?
I got 3. Now just.
Keep on looking, Kiki. Keep on looking.
Oh, I see. I see one.
Whoa.
I'm not gonna say.
Teaser.
Walk around.
Mind your way.
It's on the. Look it. Look. I found it. It was on here.
What? On the heater? Super cool.
Now I have 4.
Nice. You almost have enough for breakfast.
Daddy used to play them in the house.
Well, he had to have to put the eggs, didn't he?
Uh,
Just like Santa, remember?
Maybe he ate some carrots.
Well, where did your carrots go?
He ate. Look. Just look it.
How many carrots did you leave? How many is that?
3.
That's right. And how many are left?
1, 2, 3. Look how big that one is now.
That's true.
Why was these 3 here?
To leave you eggs and surprises. Are you okay with that, or does that make you unhappy?
I found the other egg in the pan.
Ooh.
He left me chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh,
Whoa.
dear.
Yay.
Yay!
You don't want to put it in your basket? Put it in your basket, baby. Let's keep on hunting. Let's do some heading. More head hunting. Is there anything different you see?
No.
No?
I can't find any more Easter eggs. It's those for Easter.
Is what for Easter?
Those things.
What things? Maybe.
You want to touch it?
No.
They definitely have Easter colors.
Hmm.